Life. It starts at home, but it doesn't stay there. It's in our schools and workplaces. It's where we travel and how we get there. It's in the air we breathe. At BASF, we understand the importance of keeping all our living environments clean and safe. That's why we've dedicated ourselves to creating powerful home care and I&I cleaning solutions. Our team of experts works tirelessly to develop sustainable cleaning solutions that deliver outstanding performance. By harnessing the power of innovation and science, we create products that not only meet the highest standards of cleanliness, but also minimize their impact on the environment. In our homes, BASF Home Care Solutions provide a clean and safe living environment for our loved ones. From laundry detergents that remove tough stains to surface cleaners that eliminate germs, our ingredients ensure a healthier and happier home. And in our schools, workplaces, hospitals, and more, BASF's I&I cleaning solutions help our customers create hygienic, safe, and clean environments for the people using them. Our range of ingredients, including surfactants, polymers, chelating agents, and enzymes, help keep all settings clean, reducing the spread of germs and promoting better health for everyone. BASF's commitment extends beyond individual homes, schools, and workplaces. We are dedicated to protecting our planet as well. Through sustainable practices, responsible sourcing, and reducing our carbon footprint, we strive to preserve the environment for future generations. BASF, sustainable performance for home and for life. Join us on this journey towards a cleaner, safer, and more sustainable future.